Welcome to Chance's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some cheesy garlic bombs. Yeah, you heard me right, some cheesy garlic bombs. These are so yummy, will pair nicely with any pasta dish you may be making, whether it's spaghetti, whether it's chicken alfredo, whatever the case may be. These are your go-to cheesy bread, garlic, not whatever you want to call them. We're going to get started here. I'm going to share the recipe with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Also, if you hit the notification bell, you will be able to get notifications when I post new videos. Also, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, we're going to get started and I'm going to share the recipe with you. Okay guys, and our ingredients is going to be 1/4 cup of melted butter. That is salted butter. You can use unsalted if that's your preference. That is completely fine. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of ranch dry season, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. And we're going to get this mixed up really well. And this is going to be our topping for our cheesy garlic bombs. Okay guys, and we're going to be using 1 can of regular sized biscuits. And we have 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese here. And we're going to get started. We have our biscuit pan here that I have already buttered, and we're going to just take the biscuits here. We're going to just kind of press down lightly. And we're going to take 1 cube of cheese, and we're just going to kind of wrap the cheese with the biscuit like so, and you can actually roll it in your hand, and then we're just going to place them in the pan. This is a very fun recipe. You can't go wrong with it. My kids would devour this treat, or it's like a treat to them. And you're just going to continue here until you have all the biscuits rolled up, wrapped around the cheese, and just continue to place seam down in your pan. Try to make sure you put the seam down. If not, they will kind of come loose or come undone, and we don't want that. And while I'm getting the biscuits here rolled out, I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. And these are going to go in the oven for 14 to 15 minutes. Just all depends on your oven. Just kind of look at them, and if they look like they need to be browned a little bit more, leave them in for a few more minutes. It's not going to hurt. These are such an easy garlic cheese bomb that you can make to go with your spaghetti, which is what we're having tonight. And these are going to go great along with our spaghetti for dinner. These are so yummy. My kids love them. Okay, and our last one here. Okay guys, and it's gonna look like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our butter mixture that we made earlier, and we're gonna just kind of drizzle our garlic cheese bombs with this. This smells so good. I love cooking, guys. This is like a hobby for me. I love cooking. I love feeding people, and I'm telling you, if you have people over that just loves to be entertained, this is a great side appetizer to make. I mean, because you can dip it in marinara sauce, and you can even wrap it up with some pepperonis and cheese on the inside, which will make for a yummy side dish as well. Okay guys, I'm gonna get these popped in the oven. They're gonna bake 14 to 15 minutes. Ovens do vary, so just kind of keep an eye on it. You may need to extend your time just a little bit longer. Okay guys, so we're gonna get these popped in the oven. I'll be back to show you what they look like. Okay guys, we have taken these out of the oven. They have cooled down a little bit. What we're gonna do with some of the herb butter that we made, we're gonna just kind of sweep it over our cheesy garlic knots here. or cheesy garlic bombs. This smells so delicious, guys. I'm gonna get these plated. Guys, these smell so delicious. Okay, we have got our cheesy garlic bombs plated here. We have some marinara sauce to serve with it for dipping. Okay guys, and we are done. Here's our cheesy garlic bombs we have made. These are so yummy. And we're gonna just dip them in our marinara sauce and give it a taste. These are so good, so good. I will leave the recipe below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me. You guys are so awesome. And I'll see you again next week. Thank you. Have a good day.